YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. Hopefully we could kill that boredom. So hey buddy. I was wondering where he was. But anyways, so I got a push trimmer a while back, and it's just been sitting, and I'm trying to do some area beautification and get the property right. So, time to fix some shit for profit. And I'm about to hopefully get this thing up and running and, make a few ducats, a little coin, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know nothing about it. It was on the side of the road. I found it, brought it back to the spot, and it's just been sitting in the backyard. So, let's get it. Okay, first once over, it's missing the air intake assembly. It only had a carburetor. I've already snatched that off. Yeah, that's the fuel line coming from the front. Okay. Okay, it needs oil. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything looks good. Alright, yeah. Spark plug. Nope, spark plug's loose. I'm able to take that off by hand. Alright guys, so let me set you up. We about to get it in. Okay, so we're gonna make sure our Z-bar linkage or our fuel linkage is basically your choke, your throttle. Alright. Pro tip working on trimmers, the wheel should be removed so you're gonna tighten Okay guys, so the neighbor, he actually come over. He said he want to buy it to take it to his church tonight. So I wasn't able to put all the footage on it. He didn't want to be on camera. So I'm just gonna let y'all know what we got going on. But what we did was we cut these heads. We cut those off. They were bent, so we cut both heads and we're reusing them because they're riveted on to the housing. So that was one thing we fixed. Another issue was it didn't have an intake assembly. I have that, but it's loose. We have to put a gasket on to get that right. Also, we topped it off with oil, and that's the oil we had right there. So I was gonna pour the oil in the yard. What he want to do is use a siphon pump and just siphon it out. So we're gonna go his method. But yeah, he saw me wrenching on it and he said he wants to buy it. But other than that, it's good. I'm gonna fire it up, show y'all it's good to go. I've done nothing else. The only other thing I've done is gap the spark plug. So all I have left is to put a gasket here so this won't be loose, the intake. He said he's gonna buy an air intake. The screws are too big right here. These screws I bought, these were the closest I could get in length. These are too long, so I'm about to nip the tips of them, and that'll stop that right there. We had some washers, but we lost them. Okay, so I found the washers. Now it's not moving. And this is awesome, guys. Because I actually was about to put this online to sell it on eBay and Facebook Marketplace, but the neighbor saw me and he was like, hey, can I buy it? I want to give it to my church. They got a big field. So here we are. Here we go. Now all we got to do is drain the oil and we're good. He said he's okay with it. He's going to get the intake. Everything else works.
Yeah.
You'll think you'll call me a liar. I say I put fresh oil in there.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, no, you didn't.
What's this?
Suck that out, pour some of that in the, yeah, that's how I do it.
Wash all that crap out. Yeah.
It don't look like I put any oil in there either.
No.
Like it is just all white again.
You got any more gasoline?
Yeah. Right.
Just pour some in the oil.
There we go.
We got a rag to wipe that up with, or I need to go get some.
I got some in the house. Or I got some jeans I've been using actually. Right now, pouring gas in the oil.
I got you an extra quart of oil.
Oh, appreciate it.
$6.95 up there at Ace.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
I'm like, damn. I'm sure glad I don't need a bunch.
Yeah.
I can't afford y'all. Oh, you just filling it up.
Yep. It's going somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's that.
Wash it all out.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. It's in there. Yep,
It's getting less milky.
Alright. That's taking a lot of that. Oh yeah.
Man, this is the neatest tool I've ever bought.
No, who you telling?
I mean, if you're gonna do lawnmower, it would.
Yeah. That's why I say I just tip it over.
But if you bought one of these,
Yeah, I wouldn't tip it over. I just do it because I don't have this. Now it's starting to darken up.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah.
and it don't take a whole lot of water to milk one.
Oh yeah, that's way better. And it's gonna need a few oil changes.
still almost all gasoline.
Oh yeah, there's a lot in here.
That's still almost all gasoline right there. Where's the plug to drain it? Underneath or?
It's actually on the engine. You gotta take the engine out.
Oh, it's underneath?
Yep. The engine gotta come off this red thing.
Well, that's a lot of sugar for a dime. Oh, I put oil in it.
What you looking for? So up under here, that's where the oil drain is. And that's what all the cleaning we did. We just only turned it gray, from white to gray.
But with pulling this plug out, all of it comes out.
Yeah.
And now you can wash it with some gasoline. Oh yeah, it's starting to come out clear now.
There it is.
That's what I'm looking for. No white, clear.
Yep. Yeah, that's coming out good.
Yes.
All right, let's check it. Oh yeah, that is not milky at all.
No.
Let's fire up one last time.
Knowing what to do is just as important as doing it.
Yep, ain't that the truth? All right, fire up.
Now we'll see what it looks like.
Yep.
Oh, it's still clean.
Still clear.
It needs it. Let me make sure before I say it needs some. I'm right. It's so clean I can't tell. Alright, it's right up to the add to mark. I need about 2 ounces.
There you go. Thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.